Hi guys, I have a special guest here.
Dylan Page, aka News Daddy.
Wow.
Dylan Page, a content creator, has nearly 20 million followers across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. His Chongqing travel video went viral, earning over 7 million likes on TikTok.
So Dylan, welcome to Shenzhen.
Thank you very much.
Where did you go today in Shenzhen?
Man, we did a lot today. We started out getting a drone delivery, and not just any drone delivery, we actually did a competition between humans and robots to see which would get there faster. And the human lost by about 40 minutes.
Wow, so this is your first-hand experience.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Then we went to DJI, we went to their headquarters. That's probably one of the coolest, most aesthetic places I've been to in a while. And then we ended it out with ByteDance.
ByteDance.
Yeah.
How did you feel that?
That was cool. I mean, obviously, TikTok is my main platform. That was awesome.
Which place do you like best?
Between all three?
Yes.
I think DJI. DJI was so cool. Use all of their equipment as well. I've got the DJI drone, I've got DJI mics,
As a content creator that you're traveling a lot worldwide, Shenzhen, as I know that it's your final stop of your Asia's tour. So how did you define the city among so many cities that you have been to?
So the reason I wanted to come here was that everyone was saying this was the Silicon Valley of China. This is where all the big tech companies come. This is where the future is. And I also wanted to make a video for myself because I did some research on the city. This was China's experiment city. This was the history of it. So I wanted to cover all of that, see what made Shenzhen so successful. So that's what we're doing here.
Okay, so do you have the answer? What makes Shenzhen so successful?
I don't think so yet, but I do think that it has a good free market to allow for competition. There's lots of innovation here. Big tech companies are coming here, so I think you can also see any city where there's a lot of young people when you're looking around. It's got life, it's got youth.
So it's like a vibrant vibe here.
Exactly. It's here where you can come as someone who has no money, and then you can work your way into becoming, who knows, a millionaire. I think that's what people love.
Dylan, before you come to Shenzhen, what's your imagination of the city?
Well, the crazy part is that I watched a lot of TikToks about this place.
Oh, so you've already learned a lot about it.
Exactly. So I saw all of the beautiful buildings with the lights. You know when people say TikTok and then reality, and the reality is horrible? This one was like the TikTok, and then the reality was actually just as good.
So you think the video, what video shows is exactly the same with what you see here?
Pretty much. From the stuff that I've seen, I would say so.
Besides the modern image of Shenzhen, do you know any historical stories of Shenzhen?
Yes, I learned that this was their first special economic zone. That's what I'm saying. This is why it was a test, and then obviously that happened really successfully.
Turned Shenzhen 40 years from a small village, fishing village, to a modern city.
Yeah. From 20,000 people to 40 years later, nearly 20 million now, I hear. The one thing that China really has, especially Shenzhen, is the skyscrapers with the LEDs. I think a lot of people love that, and I think that's very cool. And then when I got here, it's like someone turned up the saturation and the brightness, and it felt, because it's close to it's a coastal city, so it felt brighter, it felt bluer. So I haven't been here too long to give you a full rundown of it, but so far, it's been really nice.
So you have already noticed the greenery of Shenzhen.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Welcome to Shenzhen.
Thank you very much.
Woo!